In the previous few videos, we designed our first landing page. We have different sections throughout our page, ranging from a navigation bar right at the top to a hero section, then several sections on the content of the page, including a section with blog preview posts, and then again a section linking to our free guide and a footer. Now we have still quite a bit of designing left to do. First of all, we still have all these links up here, which currently lead to web pages which we haven't designed yet, including our get guide page. And we have these blog posts here. If I currently click on one of those blog posts, I get redirected to the page where these blog posts are supposed to be. However, we have not designed the page itself, so there's nothing we can currently display. Let's go about and actually change that in these next few videos. In order to do so, let's take a look again at our plan. And this is what we are planning to display once a user clicks on the blog post. Again, the navigation bar, again, a hero section, and then the heading and blog post in itself, and again, a new section linking to the guide and a footer. So we recognize immediately it's quite a lot of repetitive content. First of all, the navigation bar, the link to guide section, and the footer section are exactly the same as in the previous section. So we can probably reuse all these elements. And then again, styling the hero section and this section shouldn't be too difficult since we have done exactly the same on our first page. So let's go and actually start designing our blog post page. So we said that there are a few elements on our page which we want to reuse throughout our whole website. Mainly the navigation bar, the get guide link section, and the footer section. So let's create reusable elements out of all of them. In order to do so, all I have to do is I select the navigation bar and make sure that I've selected the outermost element. And then I'm going to go on add elements. And here in the add elements section, you see we normally have the normal elements, which we have so far been making use of. There are, however, two other sections, the layouts, which are pre-built layouts, pre-built by Webflow, and then the symbols section. And with this, in the symbols section, we can create our own elements, which are reusable throughout this website. The good thing about creating an element which we reuse is that once we apply changes to one of those elements, it's going to be applied to all elements of the same type throughout our website. That makes it really easy to later on adjust the styling of these elements and keep design consistent. All I have to do in order to create a Nav Bar element is hit the create new symbol button and create a symbol out of that. Then the next thing we set is this link section. So again, let's make sure that we select the outermost element and then create a new symbol. And the last thing is our footer section. Again, make sure that the outermost element is selected and then create our footer. Now with that done, let's start designing our blog post page.